Okay. Hello, YouTube VODers. Can't seem to see the YouTube chat, but whatever. I need to make sure I realize people watch these VODs on YouTube, so this is my game. It's an RTS that I'm making Godot. It's in an isometric view. It's 2D, but in isometric. I'm working on the battle mode at the moment, but in the future there'll be like a campaign. The units are in formations, they're like linked together in soft bodies. And yeah, each one is a node and they animate. I don't know. Anyway, the AI is playing right now, but you do like play yourself, you know. And I've been working on these spells and things over the past few days, and there's a bug. And these spells, you know, you cast them, and let's see. Okay. Yeah, whenever you access this thing, I have to clean it first, you know? Yeah. If you got rid of this, maybe that would also solve the problem. Yeah. So what I'm doing today is firstly working out why my YouTube chat doesn't work. It says YouTube, something went wrong. What if I turn off the ad blocker? Can I go to my live channel? No. I know that I'm live though. See, my YouTube chat's broken. Can I go here? Reset, copy. No, it doesn't say I'm streaming here. This is annoying. I know I am streaming, but I can't see the chat. think I hate the the YouTube UI. Do I think I hate the YouTube UI? I don't know what to say. I'm not going to be able to see the YouTube chat. Alright, that's fine. Let's just work on, what I'm working on today is the UI. So, let's open this up. Right, I was doing the magic. So, on the tooltip, which shouldn't be, and that's why that error happened. I didn't test it. So, I hate doing UI. I don't know, do I hate doing UI? I mean, it has to happen. Alright. Hello, Sir Junior Games, hello. UI is your favorite? No way. No way. Does anybody like you doing UI? I find that hard to believe. Okay, here we go. Tooltip dot text. It'll be tooltip label 1 text equals. We'll go to the Harvard formation, the formation combat, the magic states. Zero. I'm just going to do this first and see if it works. Make sure this works first. Oh yeah, you have to do that. We get an error. Oh. If. What are you saying? Invalidation of property key text with value of type array on base object label. What are we saying here? What are we saying? What are we saying? Are you saying that went through, by the way? It did. But you're saying that number 2 didn't go away, didn't get through. Why is that? Let's have a look. There should be something in here called hovered formation. And then formation combat. And then magic states. There's an array, and it's size 2, and it's got an array on it. Oh, I see. There's an array within an array within an array. Classic. Okay, there we go. Courage description. Now, yes. Well, I'll leave it for now, but I'm like debating whether this is good or not. Look, I have the infamous M dash as well. Godot in RTS. Alright. Hello, mate. How's your puzzle game going? What was I thinking about? Oh, I was thinking about this. So encourage, yeah. All these guys are encouraged, and there's an encouraged description. This guy says he's fighting. He's also under fire. Fighting under fire. Fighting even matched. Even matched. Even matched. Losing badly. Winning easily. Oh yeah. Yeah, I remember this. Like, it says you're winning easily, and it's only saying you're winning easily because you're not properly engaged. So I need to like think about that a little bit more. So if we look at status, it'd be managed in the. This is probably a little bit too loud. It'll be managed in the formation combat. I did have a separate script just for this functionality, but it didn't work. I don't know. So we have all these things saying losing badly, whatever, which I think is really cool. Yeah. Now there's going to be like an engaged count somewhere that I can use to body engagement count int equals 0. Int equals formation. There might be something in here like engaged bodies or no? Okay, that's fine. I don't know. 0 for body formation body in formation alive enabled if body is in combat equals true. Body engagement count plus equals 1. If body engagement, okay, then that's fine. If enemy count is greater than 0 and body engagement count is greater or equal to formation frontline bodies dot size, and do that. And if enemy count, because I still want this not to happen in certain situations, right? So count greater than 0 and the opposite, I guess, right? And then I want if that's the case, I want to append oh look, I got this here. Okay, so that's good there, I think. New secondary states if engaged. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. And then you want to do new secondary states, and not properly engaged. I think that makes sense. Let's see what happens. Growling Octopus, welcome back. Hello. It's good to see you. Anyway, what was I testing? Oh, this is what this will happen right now. Not properly engaged, under fire, not properly engaged, under fire, even matched, even matched, even matched, even matched. Not properly engaged, not properly engaged, under fire, not properly engaged. Okay, so it needs to be a little bit more generous. Size -1. Oh, max. One. Max. Mate, this shit gets so complicated, isn't it? Nothing can be simple. Why can't something just be simple for once? Oh, thanks, Granny Octopus. 5 streams. Hell yeah. You know what, encourage doesn't make sense because I was using that icon for because I'm using that icon for routing, so that's not a good idea, is it? Especially if you have this here and then this icon here and the same icon. That's not going to be good. I'm going to change that to a lion for courage. Okay, yeah, that makes more sense now. I think this is good. Now, I gotta sort this out at some point. It's not a huge priority, but like the fucking... Because what's happening is they're boids, right? So they're moving away from each other. They're being boids. But they need to like predict where other people are going in some weird way. They need to know where other people are going, and so they can... A horse, hello. Okay, hello mate. The video is quiet, is it?
Oh, it's serious. Everyone loves me.
It shouldn't be. I feel like that was pretty loud. Maybe you just got these speakers down. It's difficult to tell. Audio stuff is really difficult to tell. You hear me, but not the horse, really? Let me have a look. You and the music. Oh, there isn't any game audio, by the way. I haven't made any game audio. Choose a...
Especially the drafting and slingshotting, the carooming and flip-flopping, the framming and bamming. I kind of miss it already.
That is quiet. Why is that quiet?
This is Zeffy right here. Is that a Pokemon map?
Is that too loud now? I can't tell. This is a problem, isn't it? I can't tell. I have no way to tell if that was loud or not. Not loud, but at least you could hear it. Really? I put the gain up like massively. Mate, I don't want to mess with it. Oh well. What a shame. Finish spells, yeah. Well, in like the rudimentary way, like I have like these different types of spells, and I have passive spells. I have aura spells that go around the character, like that. And then I have like range spells that do damage, and then range spells that persist over time, like this blizzard. And then I have range spells that do healing. And I have range spells that do a buff or a debuff. Oh, look at these icons work. You can see the morale and stuff. Oh, you can't see the tooltip on this one. Why can't I see the tooltip there? That's annoying. Oh yeah, if you go too low, you can't see the tooltip. Oh, that's really annoying. Look at that. That's actually a problem. It's a real problem. This one doesn't appear for some reason. Some of them randomly don't appear. Oh, is that because you're... Oh, that's because you've run away? Is it? Oh, I think that's because you've run away. That's why we don't see anything. Ah. So I need that overlay saying that you've run away. That's why I was confused. I do have a plan for that overlay, just putting a this over the top. But that's quite bright. That's really bright. Oh, I'm doing add. Let's do mix instead. I think that makes more sense, right? And it should be above the icons as well. Maybe it should be red. Or pinkish. I'm not sure. We have a shadow here. Oh, I just use that. Just use shadow. Oh, why would that happen? Oh. There we go. And then ordering goes above that, for sure. And then what color should this be? I mean, I feel like white is the classic color for this, I guess. What was it in? What did it look like in Grand Fantasy Heroes? I'm sure to see dead people here. Right? People should die like here. There you go, it was just white. Also, I saw Cool Dragon. Will it be the boss? The boss. I think one of the bosses. Yeah. Definitely. But I'm still working on the animations. Like, I gotta do the animations. So yeah, I mean, this would be okay. I mean, it was more white than that, though. I guess this. And this one actually wants to be mouse block or whatever. Put that back over there. Yeah, I wanted this to be mouse block. That's what I was doing. Mouse stop. This one would be ignore. So mouse stop. Update burn icons. Process. I guess it goes in here, right? If linked formation is routing or linked formation live equals false, morale panel show, and just return. You don't need to do this stuff anymore. Okay, that should work. I'm going to assume that works and not test it. Am I? No, I'll test it. And there you go. Oh, but I can still hover over you. But why couldn't I do that before? Interesting. I can even select you, which I don't want to be able to do. Shouldn't this was on mouse filter stop. Now I'm really confused. This should stop all mouse input. Shouldn't it? Well, the selection probably doesn't work off of mouse input. Probably not. Fuck. Yeah, I don't think it does. It works off GUI input, which is sort of, yeah, GUI input. Fuck. So I guess I just do this, and we're in the GUI input. I return. And then here, burn hovered equals false. Yeah, maybe keep that one. Oh. There you go. And now I can't click on you or do anything with you. That's good. However, if I had you selected, right? Okay, so I do this. If I had you selected previously, and I'm also hovering over you. Oh, the blizzard's going in the wrong way. Hang on. Damn, how did you not run away? Oh, because encourage. Oh, that's fun. Let me see. If I run away, will you run away immediately? No. Also, this is broken. Look at this. Oh my god, I hate it. Oh no. Oh, I think I know what's happening though. It's because of this, so let's do that. Oh yeah, because of that. Just make sure we are in. Right, we have to make sure the current star box is the unselected one. So you might just want to do... You might want to just do if unselected. Unselected equals false, and there should be a setter here. Which is how I'm doing things. Yeah. And I think that should sort it out. Let's do it over here this time so that the encourage doesn't mess it up. There you go, you're running away now. And I can't click on you. You are still selected though. I can't reselect you. I guess that's fine. I guess that's fine. That was a weird lag. What's going on here? Huh. Oh, let me think about that. I've never seen that before. Because, okay, so the thing got disabled. I get the thing got disabled and then you reformed back. I'm gonna write that down and then think about it later. Bug where the body is disabled, the units follow, then reform and come back. So, I wonder. Don't know. Okay. Magic. Right, yes. So if you have two magic things, I need to know about it. I think we want to do this, like up here. I don't understand how this works, but just make a variable. Why do I care? Trying to make it clean for some reason. I don't care.
Not serious. Everyone loves me.
Awesome, thank you, Bidika. Okay. And then I need multiple things. So I can tell if it works. So let's give Isolde fire shield. You got encourage, fire shield, entangle. Those are 3 different statuses that can all happen at once. Okay. So fire shield, entangle. Right, I see what you're saying. I see what you're saying. Magic. Okay. I've got a magic effect timer here, actually. So let's go to magic effect timer. Am I using that? Where am I using it? I'm just there. Okay, no, that's fine. Yeah, magic effect. Let's use that instead. Magic effect timer. It's greater than that. Magic effect timer equals 0.0, and then there needs to be an extra like thing here saying if magic state index is greater than this -1, then magic state index equals this -1. Perfect, that's exactly what I wanted. I wanted to like cycle through these things. There are 3 status effects all at once and you cycle through them like that. I think I like that. And like I say, this is experimental, isn't it? Because what you should do is you just have description, you should just have a description box down here or something, or on the side. Like in Grand Fantasy Heroes, you just have this description box here, and it's like saying, oh, you have this status effect, you have that status effect, or whatever. Oh, hello, Fantoads. Hello, mate. How's the leak code going? Well, I don't know. I think you got a job or something, so you weren't doing leak code, or were you? Long time no see. It's good to see you, mate. Are you still doing it? Yeah, very cool. You're a proper programmer. Oh yeah, I'm just working on a new game, like a new little project that I'm working on. It's like an RTS. It's a bit like Total War, if you've ever played anything like that. You sort of move these units around and they move in formations instead of being like a normal RTS where they sort of move sort of all towards one place, you know? The units like stick in formation or something. And what I'm doing right now is it's like a fantasy game. Very cool, thanks. Are you working on anything interesting? Or are you just working and like doing leak code and stuff? Not that that isn't interesting. I mean, I don't know what I mean. Okay. What was I gonna say? Oh, I was just working on like these magic abilities, so marching and not properly engaged. Marching not properly engaged. Oh. Anyway, I was just working on like magic spells and things. So that would be Yeah. I'm doing UI at the moment, which kind of sucks. Because, I find that UI is just a lot of code compared with the rest of, the rest of the game. It just seems to be a lot of code. There's just a lot of like, yeah, it's just a lot. But it's not particularly interesting, it's just you sort of have to do it. Oh, I'm in the wrong place. It would be here. And formation is engaged equals true. Shouldn't this be here as well? Right. Let me try to remind myself what I was doing. Magic shown rotates through the things. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Okay, good. Add a tooltip to abilities and group formations. I'll do that later. Morale has a second text on things that the formation is thinking about. Yeah. I wonder how I do that. What is it thinking about? Things like, let's make a variable up here. Morale, thoughts, and feelings. My thoughts and feelings go out to you. No, prayers and feelings. What is it? My prayers and best wishes or something. Thoughts. No, wait. Array. There we go. So how am I going to do this? I need to monitor various things, and appends. So there's just a bunch of booleans I need to show. So there's a particular boolean. Okay, first I do new morale thoughts array if enemy is behind nearby enemies in rear, there is equals true. The new morale thoughts append enemies in rear. And then if I do, what else is there to think about? Like how healthy I am. So if formation army controller, army morale is less than 0.6, Or I guess 7, right? New morale thoughts and worries about army morale. If formation, army control, army leader alive equals false. New morale thoughts. Worried at leader death. What about some positive things? I don't know. Let's get the negatives out of the way and then go on the positives. I don't have like a positive or negative magic thing, do I? Yeah, I need to... Yeah, so we should have effects here. And we have tags. I could stick it into tags. But I think it's more universal than tags. I think I'm going to put in some, on these are status effects, I'm going to put in something like type. After a while, you run out of these things. You run out of these things to use, like tags, type, category. You sort of start running out. Group. But yeah, type is fine, I suppose. And we'll call it positive. Like that. And this would be negative. And this would be negative. Where was I? I was here, okay. So, if... So I have to for loop, I think. Why does this get complicated? I'm annoyed. Has positive magic. Boolean equals false. As negative magic. Boolean equals false. Or status effect. Status effect. Every time you have to look through this, I have to clean it because otherwise. But if I do, I'll put this to a test. Like untype it in formation effects manager active status effects. If status effect equals null, continue. Status effect equals status effect. If status effect, if status effect data type equals positive, then Has positive magic is true. And both things can be true at once, right? Hello Quincy, hello mate. Any news? Any demos to play? Data type negative. Has negative magic is true. Okay. Like, this could maybe go somewhere else. Couldn't it? Like, that could go somewhere else, probably. These buttons could go somewhere else. I feel like that might be useful in the future. I'm not sure. I'll think about it later. If it has positive magic equals true, numeral thoughts append bolstered by magic. If negative magic equals true, if that's equals true, then I want to if has no more thoughts append worried by magic, I suppose. Yeah. Alright, so what have we got so far? We've got enemies in rear, worried about army morale, worried about leader death, bolstered by magic, worried by magic. What other thoughts can it have? I don't think I should put anything, but I just about like worried at its health or confident at its health. Yeah. So if total, is there a percentage? So like a health or a HP, hit points, total hit points, last hit points, max total hit points. So I didn't make a percentage for some reason. Why didn't I do that? Let's do that now. Variable hit points percentage float equal 1.0. Hit points percentage equals. Now there's like a way you do this. It's it's the big one first and then the little one. No, it's the little one and then the big one. I'm annoyed by that. I have to change that. Ain't that floating by default? 2 divided by 3. Okay, yeah, it's the little one first. So it's total hit points divided by max hit points. Okay. If hit points percentage is greater than 0.5, numeral thoughts and bolstered by or something. And if hit points percentage is less than 0.5, new morale thoughts, and bolstered. Worried by health. Worried by. Okay. Let's see. I think that's enough for now. I could definitely add more later if I think of any more. I hope this works. I have a feeling it will. Like, the magic of untyping stuff. Maybe this will help. Here. That's a bit experimental. Right here. I haven't done that before. And then the idea would be to add a timer and stuff, like I did with the other stuff. So, the same as... Where did I add those timers? I don't know. But I'll add them now. Morale timer. Status timer. Equals 0.0. There's something else wasn't there that I needed to add. Ooh. Oh yeah, we don't care about that here. Oh yeah, we're not doing that here. We're not. So that's not our purpose. Right. So we just add the things. Or did I add the things at the end? I don't think so. Morale thoughts equals new morale thoughts. Okay, so now we go to the what should we call it? The thingy mobby. There was a name. There was a name. It's called Battle Tooltip. And go to morale. Here we are. And we want to do basically the same as this one here, which I think is successful. But I need to change this to morale effect timer load equals 0.0 morale state index int equals 0. Repeating code, but that's what I do. I repeat code. That's just what I do. WO. Did it break? It didn't. Why did it say WO? Oh, what? Oh. Why does it say WO? What? That was unexpected. Oh. Oh, JMS, hello. Hello, are you a game dev? So it'd just be this. Tim could do his game jams for fun, but nothing big. Alright. If you want me to play one of your game jams, let me know. Worried about army morale. Really? That doesn't seem right. That doesn't seem right. That doesn't seem right at all. I'm in the wrong place. I always go to the wrong place. Here I am. Army morale is greater than this. Oh. Less than this. There you go. There you go. Bolstered by magic. Bolstered by health. Bolstered by health. Bolstered by health. Bolstered by magic. Shouldn't I get bolstered by health and then after a while I get bolstered by magic? It should switch between them. Let's have a look. So this is defending melee 21. We should look at formation combat. And then morale forts. We've got two things here. We've got bolstered by magic and we got bolstered by health. So that means that there's a problem. Oh, I know what the problem is. I know exactly what the problem is. Morale effect timer plus equals delta. Ooh. Oh. Nice. That's exactly what I imagined. And let's see what happens now as we go into the combat and see if there's any bugs or weirdness. Shouldn't that say under fire? Shooting and under fire. My latest game jam was 7 years ago. Oh no. 7 years ago. Mate, I have those moments sometimes as well and I just feel so old. Yeah, it seems to be the is fighting thing seems wrong. It might be a problem here. Ah, that's it. Yeah, that's correct now. Bolstered by health, evenly matched, bolstered by health. This is perfect. This is exactly what I imagined. That's awesome. Okay, fantastic. All right. Where am I getting this print from? Ads. Oh, do I want that? Oh, maybe I do want that. Actually, that's a good thing to have. Alright. And this thing I wanted to do was change the icon. For encourage. Yeah, be in there, I suppose, and similar. You could use an animal like a lion, right? I should have a lion in here. Yeah. Either that one or that one. Do you play many games? No, I don't, actually. That's going to be my New Year's resolution. I said that last year. But to like, maybe every Sunday have like a stream where I play games. And hopefully other people's games as well. I would like to do that. Like, I mean, other people's games from stream, you know? How about you? Are you playing anything at the moment? Because it is a thing as well. I feel in game dev, you should probably play games. Farthest Frontier. Oh, what's that? I feel like, is that like, what's it called? Banished? Farthest Frontier. Yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah. I used to play Anno a lot. Actually. Oh, it looks like Anno. Oh, wow. That's cool. It's beautiful. Look how pretty it is. Oh, wow. Look at that. It looks really good. Visually, I don't know what the gameplay is going to be like. Oh, there's fighting as well. Oh, how pretty. Why? Let's take both and then I'm not worried about it. Tab. 1. G. There it is. Let's try that one. I bought it like 3 years ago. Oh no. Oh, that's what happens. That's why I've stopped buying games because I know I won't play them. All I do is make games. It's kind of weird. Well, I have been playing at work. Well, on the bus when I go to work. I've been playing. I got this Game Boy thing. It's like an emulator, and you play like retro games on it. So I've been playing that. Analog Pockets. It's called an Ambernick. And I just downloaded a bunch of ROMs actually. I'm going to put on them. And I'm going to put like Game Boy, like Pokemon hacks and things. So I really enjoy those. And then yeah, the analog projects, they're so cool. No, I don't. Analog. What do you mean? Analog. Hey, Glass Blackman, hear me? Analog Pocket? Oh, Analog Pocket. Who's that? Oh, I like this guy. Retro Game Core. Analog pocket. Oh, they look like that? Oh, I like it to be horizontal. I don't like the little tiny, your hands are so close together, you know? It's even got a game cartridge thing. Yeah, you can put a different OS on them, can't you? That's the thing. Oh, you can actually put a cart in there? Oh, that's interesting. Oh, really? FPGA. Like a fake cart or something? Is that what you're saying? Interesting. Yeah, that's unique then. You actually put the cards in. What was I doing? I was well, let's just see if this worked first. Okay, yeah, there's a line there now instead. So I want to change the icons to be on the tooltip as well. So now you can do tooltip, there's the icon, texture equals data, misc, icons, UI data, icons, get this. And then you want number 1. I think I have a crank handle, guys. I know you can use recarts. They emulate everything using FPGA chip, no software emulators, but they output modern screens. Oh, weird. How does it work? Like, it's only for Game Boy games, or can you put like a SNES game in there? Probably not, right? Okay, there you go. Nice. Nice. Hell yeah. Okay. Hello. They support emulating different consoles from ROM, but they also make a physical console floating in the 64. Interesting. Yeah. At that point, why don't you buy like an original one? I don't know. Oh, because of the modern screens? Right. "4K HDMI output." Apparently though, you want to use, if you're really hardcore into it, you get a, what's the name? A big boy. a monitor, but it's like it's got a bulb inside, and if you get electrocuted by it, you die. What's that called? A CRT. CRT. That's it. CRT emulation modes. Oh, really? Yeah, because it has to be. There's something about them. They're like they have to be like a 400 hertz or something. Ridiculous. That's another thing. Like when you were younger, you didn't know that these things are really going to be valuable. Like Pokemon cards. If I just kept all my Pokemon cards, I'd be a billionaire. Or like all the all the games you collect and things, the boxes. Like I just like sold those things at GameStop or something. You didn't realize that they were going to be valuable. It's super cool. They fully reverse engineer a console and rebuild it. Yeah. I bet Nintendo isn't very happy. Tooltip. So what was I going to do? I was going to do the icons. Okay, I got the icons done there. And then I need to do the icons on the buttons. Where do icons get done? Update button icons. Magic. Here we go. Oh, it has a color associated with it. Oh, that's cool. That's another thing. I used FP gas at school to model comm circuitry. Oh, they're radical. They found a legal spot. It's okay because they don't officially support ROMs. They support the original carts. Yeah, that's true. I mean, Nintendo gets kind of. People say that Nintendo is litigious and stuff, but if they really wanted to, they could shut it all down. I'm sure. And they haven't. If they really wanted to, we'd all be going on like torrent sites to get the ROMs. And they'd be banned. Oh yeah, the Switch emulator, yeah. That's true. I remember that. You can still get it though. I remember. I haven't looked into it. And I understand that a little bit more because it was like a current console. These are all the cores that run on Analog Pocket. What does this mean? This is the what does this mean? What does this mean? Oh. Oh, there's multiple versions of Game Boy cores? Or... yeah. The Lynx, what's that? Pokemon Mini, Tamagotchi. Mega Duck? I haven't heard of any of these. Genesis. PC Engine. See, this is what I'm playing at the moment. I'm playing games from the Sega Genesis, because obviously I never had one. I'm playing a game called Shining in the Darkness. It's like a... those are mostly arcade things. Yeah. Yeah, there are so many games, and there's so many games I missed as well growing up, that you can just spend forever playing old games. You don't even need the new games. But there's obviously things I can't play on this Game Boy thing, like strategy games and like high fidelity games. I just find they're so cool that Boom Software emulators, but running on FGA clips. What was I doing? I was doing this. Oh, it needs the same code, right? It needs the same code as the other thing, where it's got like magic status timer float equals 0.0, magic index status index equals 0. And that code was like this here. I love repeating code. I'm really good at it. It's actually the thing I'm best at is repeating code. Was it called state index? Sidetracking. Sorry. Using Verilog once was enough to satiate me. Oh, I don't know what any of that means. Hold formation, not in current scope. Linked formation. Okay. Now they will all be on exactly the same time, and it will look weird. So, oh yeah, they'll all be on weird times, won't they? Magic change resh flow equals rand f range between 3.0 to 3.1. or something. 2.9. Yeah. And then in the process magic, it's equals delta. Okay, awesome. There it is. And then if I add a fire shield, awesome. That could actually be a bit quicker, and it would be okay. I think that would be okay. For the color, squad formations, I'm gonna tell total wall represents its granular scale and collisions wall. Yeah, I can't do that because it would break my engine. So I'm like using smokes and mirrors, and it's all fake. But I would really love to do what Total War does eventually, but I need a different engine, and but I'm gonna make this first, and then if I ever make a sequel, make it in a different engine. So I have an idea of how you would do it properly, where each unit is a collider. Well, I have ideas about how you would do it in Godot, but I think it would require compute shader and particle stuff, and that's a bit beyond me. I'd imagine some LOD modness. Well, that's not the issue. Like the detail. It's not the rendering, it's the for loop. It's the for loop in the CPU, whereas if you had a GPU do it, it would be synced or whatever it's called. What's your name? Parallel. But I have no idea how to do that. Shaders. And also it's changing animation on a particular sprite with a compute shader. That blows my mind. How you do that, I have no idea. So that's why I think the better solution is a different engine that is more friendly with multi-threading. Because I was going to do Unity, because they had this more friendly multi-threading stuff going on, but I couldn't get into it. It was like really slow. Well, I think it's mainly because I'm using Linux, and the Linux port for Unity isn't very good. It might not be that slow normally, but there's something about JetBrains was really slow, and VS Code was really slow, and Unity was really slow and like laggy and weird. So I don't know what I don't know. Anyway, rant over. Just use Windows. True. True. Yeah. That probably is. There's definitely advantages, isn't there, to using Windows? All tools in game dev are really slow, it's unavoidable. Well, I guess that's why I'm so spoiled by Godot. Being so lightweight. I'm like... And everything is just instant. I think maybe I'm just spoiled. The Heaps engine. No, I haven't heard of that. What's that? Let's have a look. I love looking at like different engines and things. Heaps engine. Six years ago. Is there a newer one? No. 6 years ago, I guess. This is the newest one? Newest video? This is what I'm looking at. This one. I kind of just want to see it, to be honest. Does it have an editor? Are you recommending that because it's not an editor? Well, that's okay. I have to look into it. I don't. He didn't really go into what it looks like or how to use it and stuff. We're using IDTK as Castle DB. But I think that's what I need. I need like a if I'm not liking how slow Unity is and stuff, I need like an engine that's really lightweight, something like that. Code first, open source. We could just yeah. Hello, Alchemy. Hello. Welcome. Are you a game dev? Oh yeah, if anyone wants to show off their games that they're working on, I'd love to see them. I'd love to play them. Anything to anything to distract me from making UI. It'd really help me, actually. Hello, Chromator. Hello, mate. Magic texture there. Right, I want to modulate you to magic icon modulate equals 0. And then I would need to go here. I'm actually going to change that to Chartreuse. And then I'm going to change that to Chartreuse. And this and this. And then I'm going to change Entangle to dark violet. Some sort of red. Dark red. Brown. Crimson. I like crimson. Let's see what happens. Oh yeah, hell yeah. I'd love to play it, Joe. You can post stuff. It's Space Systems heavy, so there's not much to see right now. Alright. Nothing visual yet. I'd love to. What was I gonna do? Oh, we have a bug. Modulate. Oh, nice. One second. It should work now. Okay, yeah, the green. I'm going to entangle you. Oh yeah, there you go, red. Cool. I'm also tempted to make it orange if there's two... Yeah, I don't know. Maybe. Last time I thought to know making a safe space sim, yeah. Yeah, I finished the demo for that space sim, and I thought I'd just try something else for a bit because I was getting a little bit burnt out on it. So, yeah. What was I doing? I was playing this game. Oh, it immediately loaded. Is there sound? Oh, there is. I don't know if you can hear it though. I can hear it. Looks very Total War-ish, yeah. Yeah, I'm trying to make a Total War. I want to make Total War, but it's isometric. Basically. This is really high quality, mate. Look at the shadows. Did the shadows work? Oh my god, the shadows do work. How did you do that? That's really clever. Let me zoom in so... Look at that. Is this... I mean, how did you do that? Oh, is it just the colliders thing? The collider? Oh, hand-drawn normal maps and shaders, really? Wow. Really? Why is this the most impressive thing that I'm ever? Look, oh yeah, look at the normal map. Yeah, I guess I see what you're saying. There's a normal map. Yeah, I've seen videos of people doing that, but I've never done it. It's really clever. It's really nice. Mouse click to correct. Wait, why don't you make games all the time? This is... Oh, did you see that? Wait. Oh, the door moved. Huh? Or did I die? Oh, this is a puzzle that I don't understand. Oh, how weird. Oh look, I go here, I get teleported. Isn't this confusing? Oh look, I can't go back. What is happening? Man. I can't go back. Is it something that, like it resets if I walk over here, right? Is it something about like I gotta keep the light here? Gotta walk backwards. Ah, oh, that was clever. That's great. Hello, Sonorous. Hello. So the light is like a big mechanic in the game. Now I'm upside down. Oh, something happened. Oh. It's also been for a second. Oh. Now, oh, things are getting worse. Oh. What the hell? Oh, isn't this good? Holy shit. Mate, you're really talented. Oh. I thought maybe keep the light on that. Huh. Or maybe there's a bug. I don't mind restarting. Because I know how to do it now. And this was just looking down and stuff. Wasn't it? Okay. 1 or 2 pixels off. So I've got to look at this, right? Oh, there you go. Thanks for playing, that's all I can do in the time. Oh, really? Mate, this is good. What a good game. Good little game. Really high quality. Brilliant. Yeah, seems good, man. Progress bar, I gotta see if colors look good on the tooltip. They might do. Oh, this bug. See if colors on tooltips allies look good. Okay. Because at the moment the modulate so that would be if enemy formation. We do this. Then we do tooltip. Actually, specifically, it would be this. It wouldn't be these two. Okay. And then it would be modulate 0, but again, if enemy formation equals false, I guess. I guess so. Talking about OS stuff, I reluctantly bought a new Mac that's arriving today, so I can use Xcode. If you make iOS stuff, you need a Mac. I mean, that's fair. My last Mac Pro desktop is now, after it died, a few years after buying it. Oh, really? I thought Macs had a pretty good reputation, right, for being reliable. Not their older ones. Oh, really? I guess they went all in on, you know, mobile stuff and like iPads and as well, didn't they? For a while. Yeah, quite a lot of videos say like Mac stuff is the performance on it is like exceptional as long as you're not gaming or anything. Considering it doesn't have a GPU, it just has like an APU, right? They were hit and miss when you had a workstation was massively inconvenient when it doesn't turn on suddenly. Oh really? Oh no. You have to take it to an Apple store. Oh wow. Yeah, you can't just take it to anywhere. You can't fix it yourself, yeah. As well, you can't fix it yourself in any way. At least maybe they come with like warranties and things, but who knows? Did I mess up there as well? I did. If enemy formation modulate equals this. Rich people problems. I didn't mean to do that. Options were to wait for slow repair or buy new things. This one died. This died 1 month after the warranty. Oh no. MacBooks are being solid though. Buy an old one. I don't know anything about Macs. But yeah, you're like stuck in that sort of you're sort of stuck, aren't you? There's no real solution. You have to rely on this company. It's like buying what's that other company? It's like buying an electric car or something, right? And you can only take it to, or any sort of car, like a modern car sometimes now, you can only take it to certain places. Can't you? And yeah. True. Need X-compile the code, and there's no need for a new chip type. Well, I guess it's nice to have nice things if you can afford it, isn't it? That's the main thing. Nice to have nice things. BMW created a special bolt heads that only can be removed by service. Oh no. Did they really? That's why you want a Land Rover or something. You can fix it yourself. Not that I do that. I mean, I can change like an air filter or change the oil or something on my car. But I can't do more than that, really. I suppose I could. It's just a matter of having the tools and things, isn't it? Not buying a Beamer anytime soon. A Beamer. A Beamer. I'm not quite sure whether is that an American car. Didn't really enjoy Mac as a day driver. Oh. A Beamer is a BMW, is it? I never heard that. I've never heard of that. Windows Workstation is the main one. A stream machine. But I need to check websites on Mac, and I play with iOS. Right, you can they have Safari. I think you can only have Safari on Mac, right? Is that true? The way the fonts render are different on Mac. Really? No way. The little details and stuff. That's attention to detail right there. Are you a web dev? That's attention to detail. I don't think most people would bother checking it on Mac OS. Front-end web dev, doing UI all day. And then we think about what I was doing. Tooltip. I was doing this right here. RTS one player on my game. Yeah, hang on. I need to make sure. I'll show you my game. I just need to make sure I don't get distracted. I need to. So that would go there. Okay, let's see if it worked. It did. It's a lot more colourful, isn't it? I don't know if I like it. It's a lot more colourful. Some things you can't really see as well. UI UX shaders. That's why you were so good at the shaders in that game. It's my website. I don't trust this. These these are Greek letters, aren't they? Do I trust that? I don't know anything about if I should trust this, but clicking this or not. Cyan Pie. That is cool that you can use that. I'm gonna. Okay, I'm gonna do it. Oh, there we go. It didn't hack me, I don't think. Nope. Things are happening. Oh wow. A shaded demo. Ah, cool. Sometimes I like looking at Shader Toy. You ever seen that? And sometimes I take things from it as well for my games. Oh, cool. Oh, look at moves as well. Wow. That's awesome. How much is my GPU burning right now? 20%? Yeah, it's 20%. That's not bad though, is it? Considering what you're doing. Very cool. Oh, you can click it? Oh, never mind. Is this a competition? My website runs on iPhone. Is this a competition now? That's funny. Very low usage. Well, we're just talking about iPhones and how efficient they are, maybe. Mine runs on the Samsung Smart Fridge. See the game. I have a debug thing here by accident. How did this arrive? Why is this here? Why is this here? I don't know. There's some weird behavior there. There's some behavior. I don't want. Huh. That's annoying. I have to write that down now. Check. Yeah. Specifically when I did the yeah. What's the clicked off somehow? Oh, you mean this? All the distractions helping you find bugs. Yeah. Anyway, I've been working on spells recently. Why do you say marching? Worried by health. Bolstered by health. Worried about army morale. I think I like all the different colors. I've just gotta. I like all the colors. I just gotta. Why is it broken? It's broken. Sometimes it breaks. Well, you're not really meant to be allowed to click on enemies. That's just because I'm debug mode. Oof, there's lots of little things you notice and it takes a long time. Okay. Someone dies if they become lighter in color. Red for blood, but red versus blue isn't helpful. I don't know. I don't know what you mean. Oh. These are the web developers thinking about colours. It's way beyond me. The web developer brain. Probably. It's hard to see who's dead, is it? Is it? What do you mean by who's dead? It's hard to see who's dead. There's dead bodies on the floor. Hard to see who's live versus dead. Huh? The dead bodies and the live people are the same color. Oh, it's probably because you're looking at a small screen or something. Oh, and by the way, these are temporary sprites. These aren't final sprites. You mean fade out the bodies? I think I was doing that. Wasn't I doing that? I can make it more aggressive. Depth, material. Yeah, modulate A. I can do that, modulate 7. Or something. My screen is 50 inches. Well, yeah, fair enough. I've got something else that's 55 inches. But it's not the screen. In the outfit now. I never really thought about that. I guess it looks okay. Anyway, what do I actually need to do right now? Oh, I did that. And I can always turn it off if I don't like it. Add tooltips to abilities and group formations. Ugh. Roman battle tactics, very organized, though even for Romans. Nice. Progress. I don't have actually formations there. Like, what I would really love if you could go into like loose formation and close formation and like wedge formation and all these different types of shapes, like circles and stuff. But it's getting out of scope. It's getting a little bit scope creep. I want to actually make the game, you know. Lion, make a shield wall. Yeah. Yeah, that'd be cool. How about making it an MMORPG RTS? Yeah, exactly. Progress bars on tooltips to signify things. Yeah, I think that's a good idea. I also want progress bar on maybe bars or bar. I'm gonna do bar for help on formation button. I think so. And what it is, a progress bar. It's going to fill the whole screen. It's going to go like here. And it's going to go here. No. It's going to go here. No. Yeah. And then the background will be empty. The foreground is flat. Fill mode, top to bottom. 1, value 0.5. Oh, bottom to top. Show percentage 0. Like, you ever played Baldur's Gate or seen Baldur's Gate? I mean Baldur's Gate 2. They have like one like this. They have this. And this represents like the health of the unit. And then if I just choose a material like add or subtract, mix. How should it look? I need to look at Baldur's Gate. Baldur's Gate 2. Baldur's Gate 2. There's lots of people talking about Baldur's Gate 2, but not Baldur's Gate. What? Not many people playing Baldur's Gate 2. Gameplay. Gameplay. Here we go. So you have this thing, and there should be a health bar. See if it gets into combat at any point. Oh yeah, here we go. Oh, it's like a red bar. It's a red bar if you're low health. If you're low health, should be the opposite way around. Another coffee. I'm gonna get another coffee. Oh yeah, I'll bring it back. Yeah, so it looks like this is like more like a in Baldur's Gate anyway. And it kind of makes sense. So like this represents damage more than your actual health. So as this goes up, that means you're dead, nearly dead, and then when it's at full, you mean you're dead completely, right? There's so many emotes. Oh shit. So I think I want subtract, and I think I want red, blue, like that. Like that, and then you get interesting colours, don't you? But maybe should it be on top of the icons or not? Fade the thing to black in the last 10%. As well, underline the near deafness. That's your colorblind. I guess having a colorblind son, did you say? Makes you think about it a lot more. I never really think about it. Red, green. Blind to red and green. Is that what you mean? Interesting. Isn't everything red and green? So you only say it sees blue? That's confusing. And yellow. So you see blue and yellow, but not the bits in between. Really? What am I doing? I know, I was just thinking about it. So everything looks brown because you can only see... What did he say? You can't see red and green, but yellow is red. I guess in real life, yellow is... Yeah, in real life you have yellow, blue and red, right? As primary colors. But on computers, it's green, red and blue. Isn't that interesting? Yeah. So in real life, he can't see red and green. But he can see yellow. Mate, that is interesting to think about. I don't know how to think about it. RNG receptors are super weak in his films. Rest, I guess. Ah. So this is the we'll call this the death progress bar because, or I guess we will call it the health progress bar. And yeah, this means you're fully dead, and this means you're like halfway dead. Maybe it should be a little bit more subtle though. I think it should be a little bit more subtle. Okay. But we want the opposite, so... the opposite percentage, how does that... How would that work? So I can get my inverse percentage, inverse health percentage is a float and it equals 1.0 minus linked formation combat hit points percentage, right? Yeah, I think that's how you do that. Health progress bar value equals inverse. Okay, see if that works. 1 minus question mark. Oh yeah, I see stuff happening. Oh, this is another, that's that bug again. Look, that bug. Where they're running away even though they shouldn't be. Yeah, that's nice and subtle. It's not like overbearing. I think I like that. I like that. Back with coffee. And now the next bit of UI I want to do is progress bars, not only on here, I want progress bars on the tooltips as well. I'm doing my best to avoid like the traditional UI stuff where you have like just a bunch of text somewhere. I don't know. I'm being weird and experimental. Deep down the rabbit hole, coffee rabbit hole. All right. To be honest, I just drink instant coffee. I don't really like proper coffee, like coffee you make yourself. I don't know. But maybe I'm just used to... The only proper coffee I have where it's like made in a machine is like... It's always been like burnt or like when you buy it from a shop or something, it always just tastes bad to me. So, I don't know. So what we're going to do is each one will have a thing like this. And we could change this to a subtract as well and that might make it look interesting. Instead of an add. Oh, I understand. A lot of bad coffee. Local independent ones. Oh, what's it called if you're one of those people? A hipster? Are you a hipster? You have to use a Mac. You have to use a Mac. You have to go to independent coffee shops. And what's the other one? There's something about beer. You have to drink special beer as well. Oh yeah, Beardall. True. Or maybe I should get some beard oil. I do. That's good. That's a good one. So, oof. Hmm. 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 Well, this one's obvious. So, progress bar. Tooltip. More of a nerd than a hipster. Anyway, I'm gonna go. Let me try to remind myself what I was doing. Oh yeah, I got this here, okay. Gotta go, so thanks everyone for watching. And thanks to the new people who came and talked and stuff, it's nice to meet you and... but yeah, I've gotta go. So... here is... a raid. Raid mode. Boy. Good smell. Can't win. Alright, thanks everyone for hanging out. I'll see you guys there. Gotta raid him in. Gotta raid him in. Right.